Okay, so when Earth's revolution occurs around the sun, or when the Earth revolves around the sun, this leads to or causes the four seasons. It causes the four seasons like winter, summer, spring, and fall. And then there is a specific note here. We don't feel the Earth spinning because we move at the same speed of the Earth. Shadows change length and direction during the day because of the position of the sun and the amount of sunlight. So it could be longest shadow or could be shortest shadow according to the location of the sun. Okay, the time of the day, if we mention that the time of the day is at morning or at afternoon, in low, the position of the sun, it's low in the sky, not high. So the shadow will be longest shadow. At noon, the sun's position high in the sky, so it will be shortest shadow. Okay, now we will speak about the universe, galaxies, solar systems. Universe contains all celestial bodies like stars, galaxies, planets, comets, satellites. So it is the wide space around us. Then it comes in the second rate, the galaxy. Galaxy, it is a group of stars, planets, gases, held by the gravity. Solar system, it contains the sun and the eight planets that are revolving around it in the fixed orbit. Planets rotate around the sun at different speeds. While the fastest planet ever, it is Jupiter. Jupiter, it is the fastest planet that rotates around the sun or revolves around the sun. Stars, they are giant spheres of super hot gases, mainly hydrogen and helium. So the stars, they are super hot gases which contains hydrogen and helium. They appear to move in the night sky because of the Earth's rotation. Some are larger or could be smaller than the sun. So sun, like we've mentioned, it is, or like we will mention right now, it's a medium-sized star, so you can find larger than it or smaller than it. And the sun is the only star in our solar system. It can be found in the center of the solar system, and it provides us with heat and light energies. Okay, let's pass forward for sunshine and sunrise. Cities in the east, like Marsa Alam, see the sunrise before cities in the west, like Siwa. Okay, let's pass forward for the moon. It is the dark celestial body that reflects the sunlight. It doesn't get their own light, or it doesn't has its own light while it reflects the sunlight. Phases of the moon, it changes as it revolves around the earth. Completes one cycle each lunar month. So phases of the moon complete one cycle each lunar month. Okay, moon phases like, okay, number one, first crescent. The edge is illuminated and the size gradually increases. First quarter, half illuminated, half dark. First gibbous, more than half is illuminated, curved line appears. Full moon, it's fully illuminated or completely illuminated. Second gibbous, its illuminated part decreases gradually. Second quarter, half dark, half illuminated. Second crescent, a crescent is of illumination remains. New moon, it's a fully dark moon. Earth lies between sun and the moon. The earth, in this case, or in this phase of moon, lies between sun and the moon, and it can be asked in form of complete question. And these are the pictures for the phases of the moon. Number one, new moon, and then first crescent, and then first quarter, passing forward for first gibbous, and then full moon, and then second gibbous, then second quarter, and then second crescent, and finally with the new moon again. Okay, let's pass forward for constellations. constellation, it's a group of stars forming shape or pattern in the sky. It could have the shape of animals or plants or any other shapes. The example of constellation that we have studied, it is Orion or the Hunter, and it's named by ancient Greeks. Earth's rotation. Stars seem to move in the sky because of the Earth's rotation. Because of Earth's revolution, constellations change their location across seasons. Because of Earth's revolution, new stars appear each night from the east. Because of the Earth's revolution, some constellations become invisible. Stars near the poles shift slightly during the year. Okay, we have here two tools to study the space or the universe: Galileo binoculars and Hubble telescope. The importance of binoculars and the telescopes: view the moon's surface or the phases of the moon, observe asteroids, explore neighboring planets. We can see neighboring planets or neighboring planets and new planets. Study stars inside or outside the galaxy. So these are the uses or benefits from binoculars and the telescopes. Planetarium, a place that shows images of celestial bodies on dome ceiling, like the one found in Alexandria. How it works? It works with projectors that displays images, and it's connected to computer programs that simulate the sky view at different times, sky views from many years ago. So you can study it in our nowadays, or you can study it from many years ago. Copernicus, like we've mentioned, it is the scientist who proved that sun is the center of the solar system. That's it of our revision. We have finished our revision. I hope you get the most benefit of it. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to call me. Thank you and goodbye.